Do you know which specific niche is going to dominate healthcare industry? Well, I would say it's telemedicine. Again, healthcare industry is projected to reach 559.52 billion US dollars by the end of 2027. How will it help you in your telemedicine app? I am Niyati from IBIIXO and today I'm going to talk about how you can boom your telemedicine app in 2022. Let's get started. Before getting into medical app development, let's check the purpose of creating this application. Number one, it reduces the cost. It is reducing overall cost of medical treatment. Second, time efficient treatment. It will help patient in getting timely treatment. Third, easier access to healthcare. Fourth, effective time management for doctors. And fifth, it is convenient for all, patients and doctors as well. Of course, these purposes are enough to plan in telemedicine app. Now let's get deep into the features which you can plan in your telemedicine app.
Alright, so let's talk about the features you should plan in a telemedicine application, like my colleague Niyati told you. Right, talking about the very initial thing, registration. Registration, a very basic facility, but you can think of having social login, mobile login, email sign up. So you can think about various registration method which you can use, maybe as I told you, social, mobile, email, or some other things out of the box. Next, profile management. Think of a telemedicine application with single profile versus multiple profile. So take an example that there is a single profile application wherein you signed up and you are the only patient in the application. Then you create your own profile, you are searching doctor says the information which is been shared by you. The second option is multi-profile application. So you have your own profile, you have your dad's profile, you have a family member's profile. So what happens is that when you are searching a doctor, you can select from the profiles which is to be shared with the doctor. So in this way, you use a single application for multiple patients of your family member and can stay connected with the doctor. Search with multiple filters. Now, search is nowadays very important considering the level of specific details what a person needs, right? Here, a patient might be searching for a doctor with more than 10 years of experience, minimum 100 patients been seen, and who is active online right now, or maybe with more than 4.5 star rating. So search with very much advanced feature is what you can opt in for here. View EHR of the patient. That is, I guess, for a telemedicine application, that might be really basic thing to have. But again, you need to think that whether EHR should be maintained for just one patient or multiple patients at the same time in the application. Video conferencing, of course, that's very basic for a telemedicine application. It is required, but still, there is a very broad spectrum of the things which you can implement in here. Then there are minor things like doctor support or a couple of minor things which I would say not consider it as a very large feature because initially you might not need it, but still you can plan something similar to that. Booking appointment. Now again, very basic thing but has a large spectrum. First, booking appointment online to do the appointment on video conferencing, booking appointment offline so that you want to go to doctor in some scenarios where so that multiple slots should be managed for doctors. Doctors should be able to manage that multiple time slot because he might be occupied in some other work while he is available online. So that synchronization is really important and that can be very efficiently managed in a telemedicine application if planned correctly. Then come of course the payment part. Now payment, I personally feel that in a telemedicine application it should be just one online payment, but still there are applications who want offline payment in a telemedicine application, but still in a telemedicine application, offline payment, online payment. In online payment, of course, credit card, debit card, wallets, you can plan your own wallet as well. And in some countries, the trending cryptocurrencies can be planned as well. Now there are more ways or more minor things you can implement, such as confirmation of the appointment, ratings and reviews, confirmation again on multiple types, SMS, emails, call, rating and review based on the punctuality, based on the experience or multiple categories. So this all the things can be planned. Now tell me, what more features do you think that we should have? Mention down in the comment section what are you expecting, what are your basic necessity, what you can suggest to have in a telemedicine application. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the content shared by my colleague Niyati and me. Stay in touch with us. You can get in touch with us at sales@IBIIXO.com. We are here with a whole bunch of team who can handle your business analysis, technical requirements, project management. We can be either just your consultant or a complete project development partner. Sales@IBIIXO.com. You want to get in touch with me personally, you can get in touch on +91 99137 96777. The same number, you can reach me on direct call as well as on WhatsApp. Stay in touch. Signing off from IBIIXO Studios, Deep Karia.